Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna learn how to derive the formula d square divided by 162.28, which is the formula to find out the unit weight of steel. Okay, let's start. So as you guys know, weight equals to volume multiplied by density. So let's assume this is a steel rod. So as we are talking about the unit weight, so the length of this steel is gonna be 1 meter. Dia is just, let's denote it by D. Length is 1 meter. So the volume is gonna be pi square h, so pi d divided by 2 into h. So the volume is pi d divided by 2 square into h multiplied by density, pi d square by 4. So height is 1 meter multiplied by density, which is 7850 kg per meter cube. But we want to find out it in the unit of kg per meter. So we'll convert it d square by 4 into mm multiplied by 7850 divided by 1000000. We'll convert it into kg per meter, and we have converted it into mm. So our final, when you do this calculation, our answer would be d square divided by 162.28 kg per meter. It's so simple. So it is so simple, guys. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe our channel to watch more civil engineering related videos. Happy learning. Bye bye.